Unlock your Canon 5D Mark IV's full potential and secure its future compatibility by mastering the simple process of a firmware update. First, power up your camera and navigate to the menu to check your current firmware version, ensuring you know if an update is even necessary. Next, head to the Canon support website on your computer, locate your 5D Mark IV model, and download the latest firmware file. Now, format an SD card in your camera to guarantee it's free of any errant files, and then connect it to your computer. Transfer the downloaded firmware file directly to the top-level directory of your freshly formatted SD card, making sure it's in the correct location. Gently insert the SD card back into your camera, confirm your battery is fully charged, and ensure the camera is on a stable, level surface. Access the menu again, find the firmware update option, and initiate the update process, following the on-screen prompts carefully. During the update, do not turn off the camera or open any compartments. Allow the process to complete entirely without interruption. Once the update is finished, restart your camera and verify the new firmware version in the menu, confirming a successful upgrade. You've now optimized your Canon 5D Mark IV for peak performance and future technologies. Happy shooting!